Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter 12, and the name of the chapter is Land and Water. Look at this. It's a globe. The earth is called the blue planet because it looks blue when seen from space. It has more water than land. In this globe, you can see the blue part, and this is due to water. In your book, page number 77, you can see this picture. In one picture, you can see the earth is very sad, and in another, you can see that the earth is happy. The earth is sad because we have polluted it. The pollution, the dirt has made it sad. And if we plant a lots of trees, and the animals will get fresh air, clean atmosphere, then the earth will become happy. We live on planet Earth. In this globe you can see it's India. We live in India, and it is on Earth. It's our home. It is shaped like an orange. It's round in shape, but a little flat at the top and bottom. It revolves around the sun and gets heat and light from it. It is made up of land and water and surrounded by a thin layer of air called the atmosphere. The thin layer of air is called atmosphere. Physical features. Different places on earth look different because of the presence of valleys, plateaus, mountains, plains, hills, rivers, seas and oceans. These natural features are known as the physical features of the earth. The natural features are known as the physical features of the earth. These physical features consist of both land forms as well as water bodies. And in this part, we are going to study about the land forms. Look at this picture. Mountains, you can see mountains. Mountains are very high areas on the earth. They are made up of rocks and stones. High mountains are covered with snow. Nothing grows on such mountains. The highest point of a mountain is called peak. The highest point of a mountain is called peak. Hills are lower than the mountains, and the weather is very pleasant on the hills. A group or chain of hills is called a range. Here you can see a lot of mountains and hills, and thus a group of hills is called a range. Look at this picture. A valley is a low area between two mountains. Here you can see between two mountains or hills. Most valleys have a river flowing through them. This is a picture of a valley, and mostly valleys have river flowing through them. Okay, a valley is a low area between two mountains or hills. We have read about the mountains, hills and valleys. Look at this picture. A plateau is an area that is higher than the land around it. Area that is higher than the land around it. It is flat on the top and looks like a table. It is flat on the top and look like a table. It's also known as a tableland. It's also known as the tableland. And then deserts. Desert, this is the area that is covered with sand, and they are dry and hot areas, receive very less rainfall. That is why only a few plants grow here. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert. And the last one, and where we live, it's plains. Plains are a vast stretch of flat land. Many rivers flow through the plains, and the area is good for growing crops. In this part of this chapter, we have read about the landforms. Hope you understand it. Thank you.